Mayam Krumjari to Members Impact News ni Manung Thongbam Ksh Premchand Mayam Tamokshari. Ngasi Unagatori Basi CBS in Loba All India Senior Secondary Examination 2019 gi State Kyoina Habitare Manipur Uena Makok Takrabo Singni Aduga High Riba Kogi Studio Election Biriba Sing Asi State Kyoina Science Stream da Makok Tarakraba Thongbam Satyajit ni Aduga Satyajit ki Hek Matang Election Biriba Sina Mahakpu Pokpiba Thongbam Jasobanta ni Aduga Matang Election Biriba Stream gi State Kyoina First Takrabi Liza Jain ni Aduga Mahaki Hek Matang Election Libasina Mahakpu Pokpiba Mahaki Apokpa Sunil Jain ni Hariba Kogi Topper Singer Sigi Marakta Kogi R stream gi Dum Laba Topper Dusu Koina contact on Hona with the Kudunchana Bukadagi, marketing a Sigi, University Yaw Pangre, Ahan Bada, Hosing Kogi Election Biriba Sing, Moruna Topper Singer, or is Habi Tanzado, Lozage, Ahan Badak and University Thongbam Satyajit Science Stream da Kogi State Siguina, Manipur in a Topperni. Nana Ahan Kogi exams Haidue, Manipur in a Nana first star Hana, Kamigupse, Nankari, Fauki, Nagino, with I see Toby.
I surprise is result to the park surprise oidre adum keno haido open numito adu ina surprise oire haidi kamai I think nganjungalle haido kiba numito keno ye atopa mamang chahi 2017 18 yang naroga kharangalli tu do isale ado surprise keno du di prak surprise ti oidre result to di adu haido open numito di surprise oyang adu haidi previous day date 1 jida my CBS in official website Thadorak Pajani Kenwa Sumaina date to the Keno result out Tauranina. Adu I can't the Adukin down to the Imana Bakarana WhatsApp the meme when a Shemaga date to the Haidonia Paikado, Nungdang to the Haidoni, Adu date 18 the Haidoni, Narang, Haido Kregana, Puncham Shemdok and Tagale, Adu Aju Tagale meme, Tara Keno Kun Tagale, Adugi. I don't know. Next day to the Haidoni have been Iman about Tobam Natagale, can was Mim dinatre a shame when it might. I did buy Adura Adara Hangado at the mind of Mamangi Doka no Moina Pagito Baduga Kaiga. Heidi, I want the Adunumit to give a surprise or young, I do young sudden noise.
Maruina Satyajit Sika Lam Negino, very school Legino Nangatama class 1 Negina 10 Fauba Duga 11 12 Nanazik, Manipur in a Topo Tarisica school Legino have Duga Matima Pandiram. I
say Compal Kadem like Poropat Duga class 1 then up Kano Boxe 5 Boxe Mariam Montessori Datame Aduga 6 7 Jina Aquelaki school the Dina and Adutame Aduga 8 tagina 12 boxe Yunako aduga 12 passed out Yunako
Yunako do Babagi Ming Nikang Mamai Ming Kari Tori
Aquima Susurita Sanasam okay no ma manager where you can Urban Cooperative Bank Sinjamai
Aduga Matanga Thongbam Satyajit Kiapopa Thongbam Jasobanta the Kanging is a Chanopana Sumaina CBS ki Manipur na Topper Tare Bakang Matamse. Siki timing Kari Hopi to Chanpazi Handagi Hona, Sumaina Kogi State ki Topper Lakani, Sumana Mak Yampankan have a second belabra, Kari Having.
State ki Topper Mak Tarkani have the ID to in a day Kalude, Adu Boina Mo, the Haibon Cocktail, so my like Tom Postesta. Nang Nasi Handaki per Kase, if 50% from a day, it's well and good. Nangi first up at Napadu never compete to. You just compete yourself, I know. From that day on, I don't Magi pre-board exam, Ani Mamang Stow, Amadima first study, Amadi first study, last pre-board, the first study. I do keep up Toro. Nangadum, excellence on the Zagadabani, Migatoro, no Hibene. Expecting Kariguma Karab, they expect that we are so state get topper or the E Hybrid Kansu Kanki, the Kang the Vimaram, CBS the state going out open in all the going out open the car. Or not like E result, the other me over so. The Moko was asking that DC, see Marks you were the Oibusia in a state key Hiba at the manner we can discussion currently like it. We were very fortunate call.
So the general percentage my
science 95.2.
95.2. Yam no Isaiah Duga, Matanga Lakshan Gibasi, I'll come to Liza Jain, topper of Manipur state topper of AISSCE 2019. So, Liza, we all know that when we are waiting for the exam results, the feeling is like some very excitement and all. So, can you describe the moment when you were declared as a state topper of commerce?
Actually, I don't know that I was the topper. Last 2 days back, I just came to know that I was the commerce topper. I was not so happy with my result, but after just knowing that I was the commerce topper with such not good percentage, I was little bit happy because my parents are now happy. Like they were saying me that you have scored such a good marks, but I was not so happy because 93.4 is not such a good percentage. I expect more, but now everybody is appreciating me, so I'm happy with it.
Okay, and what is your school and what about your secondary schools? Just briefly tell us about your career from nursery to class 12.
From KG, I have been studying from Blackbird English School, and then I shifted to Shishu Niketan at class 5. Till 10, I have completed my studies there, and from 11-12, I have shifted to Kendra Vidyalaya, and I have completed my boards from Kendra Vidyalaya.
And where do you live right now? And how many years have you been in Manipur?
I was born in Manipur, and I just live in Alugali near Thangal Bazaar with my parents. I'm just born here, but I'm not so fluent in Manipuri then also.
Okay. Liza Jain asi Manipur da popani masi Manipur da saurapani aduna maram maraka mahaki apopadi soyan maki Manipur khambirangmani Manipur khambibam ta yam nungai ado sombi sanopina koigi CBS ne loba sugumlaba senior secondary examination sigi commerce ki una koigi state asigi topper oina lakpa mikup da kari kari phaubi ki kai haibiningi
result he lakpado ai thajadabne ai moi 21 22 khan bane ado suddenly lakpada mana angonda phone torokpa baba ai result lakpa ado aina percentage angba mana 94 smai haiba do aina thajabdi mas larik tak pacha deki yam haiba jarni larik sab yam papa jarni mas ado aina 96 97 khan bane ado magi ado percentage lakti ado magi sa ado mal lakta bada mata kappa ke lai bajani da ado aina haibani 94 lakh pe yam phabani kana gumadi simple pass sio ibane ado 94 haibi yam phabani ado da ma kaptana angonda laga baba angonda kenoma party am to piro ado aina yam haraure ado angonda kenoma pi bani blessing am pi bani
yam nungai jai haibadi mark na phangliba mark sidagi hena phangakadra haina mana expect toromba do phangaktabagi nungai tabado adu still you are the topper of our state do makhata na chiningi basi Satyajit lak sage mutang laningi se nangna larik pa bo khorku matam da nongmoda pung kya gari larik pa ki duga ai se babana uji sai haibi diko nang atopuga kapit tobi mahota nangna thanta compete tawso haibani ada ai se topper oida be yade ai se Manipur mahok ta da be yade natragna India pumbugi changdamna basida hoi topper sing imrakta chaltaba yade hakaina khallaga paagi belibra natraga chumsum nangi yauriba syllabus tu cover tawnaba madudum puning changna paakibra kamai tawreisidi
duma hadi ai sena miga compare tawdi akhoi pana chumdi chumme hadi yengjalu deba moi kya phangge ko oi yengbudi yeng akhoi class to school dum 12 ki batch to mi jo yamde aduna akhoi ani hum khara wang phangwa kangbu khar le adu khak yengba natana keno sengna atopadi yengudi adu ju moi dagi hena phangningba khoningba pak laigide aingonda ko adu ju adum laigide haije pura moi hena ba tawge ana tawge badi nate moi je aina respect yam tawi aiga adugi mi gaido aduna respect tawi haije aduna aiju ai isagi phana ba dum hone keno je wang na phangak na bana adumaina tawgi
nongmoda pung kya gari laik pai
pung je khetna yamna keno tawrakpadagi 12 hawrakpadagi na huji January jida khenai keno aduna hawrakpadadi pung numi khutingi panabadi hone adu ahan ba hawrakpadadi 2 hours muk ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯆ ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗꯩ ꯍꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ 12ꯀꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯔꯆ ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗꯗꯤ 2 hours ꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯦꯜ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯆꯨꯞꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ previous year question paper ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯦ ꯐꯣꯟꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ CBSEꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯞꯄꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯇꯝꯃꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯅꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯇꯤꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯊꯝꯃꯨ
ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯨꯡ 3 hours ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯋꯥꯡꯈꯩꯗ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯡ 4:30ꯗꯒꯤꯅ 8:30ꯐꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯒꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯐꯔꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯄꯨꯠ ꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯊꯥ 5ꯅꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯦꯠꯁ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯈꯩꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯪꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯈꯩꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯐꯔꯠꯇꯨꯅꯁꯨꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯄꯦꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯍꯩꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ
ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ
ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯈꯩꯗꯣ
ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯌꯁꯣꯕꯟꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯁꯇ꯭ꯌꯖꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕꯗ ꯀꯚꯔ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯂꯦꯕꯁꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯔꯛꯑꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯩ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯁꯝꯂꯛꯄ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯇꯦꯟꯇꯪꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ
ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯛꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯗꯥꯏꯚꯔꯁ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯆꯨꯑꯦꯂꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯐꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯒ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯝꯇꯗ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯒꯦꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯨꯡꯈꯪ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯜꯂꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯩ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯠ ꯕꯣꯔꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯗꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯋꯥꯏꯠ ꯕꯣꯔꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯋꯥꯏꯠ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯪꯀ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯪꯑꯣꯠꯇ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯪꯇꯧ ꯇꯧ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯔꯤꯖꯤꯠ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯄꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯊꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯛꯇꯦꯕꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯠꯇꯨꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯟꯗꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯟꯠ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯠ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯑꯗꯔꯁ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯠ ꯌꯣꯔ ꯁꯦꯜꯐ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯁꯨꯛꯇꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯎꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯋꯥꯆꯦꯞ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯕꯕꯥ ꯁꯤꯡꯈꯩ ꯗꯥꯎꯟꯂꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯦꯄꯔꯁꯅꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯥꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯜꯞ ꯇꯧꯕꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯜꯞ ꯇꯧꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯇꯣꯝꯗ ꯄꯪꯇꯧꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ tꯧꯋꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯖꯁ 5 months ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯂꯥꯁꯇꯗꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ 10 ꯀꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯄꯥ ꯑꯩ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯊꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯎꯆꯤꯟ ꯅꯥꯆꯤꯟꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯖꯁ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯗꯗꯤ 5 months ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯜꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯕ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯁ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯇꯤꯚꯦꯇꯔꯁ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯨꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯞꯄꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯦ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯍꯪꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯁꯇ꯭ꯌꯖꯤꯠꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯕꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯁꯇ꯭ꯌꯖꯤꯠꯀꯤ ꯕꯕꯥꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯁꯇ꯭ꯌꯖꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯉꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯍꯣꯡꯉꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯀꯣ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟ ꯇꯤꯆꯔ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 8 ꯈꯛꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯣꯀꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯦꯃꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯅꯪꯗꯤ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯔ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯨꯡꯊꯥ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯇꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯨꯡꯊꯥ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯅꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯂꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯒꯦꯠꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯕꯣ ꯑꯦꯠꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯛꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀോ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯑꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯨꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯃꯦꯟꯠꯇꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯙꯧꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯕꯣꯛꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯁꯣꯃꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯝꯖꯔꯁꯅꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯗꯣ nang yaragadi aduda nang just top to ta le nam kono ne
okay am nungai jai haibadi mahangna apam thungmang ngamna ba mahangna su khona bang thoi haibani now I'll come to Liza. So what role did your school play to become you as the toppers of this state?
Actually, I just went there to take admission for science, but because of the seat problem, they just gave to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. General people, they don't get, and I have not tried for any other school. I have just tried for Kendriya Vidyalaya, and unfortunately, I shifted to commerce because of the principal. He told me that you will much be better in commerce, so I took commerce. First few days, I was not so interested because it is not the one I selected, but later on the teacher, like, I did well because from childhood I in studies I was a little bit well, so I just did well in commerce also, and my teachers, they always appreciate me. They they always think that I could score better, so if I get few marks less also, they appreciate me to read more well. So their role is like the best in my scoring such marks and being the topper of the commerce in state. Even they are all shocked that I could get that marks.
Okay, koi Liza Jain asi magna hanba admission ki sangba si koi ki science stream sang mani adubu ma commerce on thara kibani adubu mag yam kan honaraga commerce ki topper asi or kibani aduga how many hours a day you spend for your study?
Frankly, there is no fixed hour. Anytime when I feel like I can study. Mostly I study during exams only. Otherwise, I'm always busy watching TV and all. Even my parents, they don't insist me on reading also. They know I can do well. So I have never fixed an hour for studying.
Do you think that tuition is important for every student?
Yeah, it is equally important because Kendriya Vidyalaya is such a school in which teachers are frequently transferred. So we are lack of teachers. So without tuition, I think I couldn't score this much. My tuition teacher, they have contributed so much for getting me such good marks. Even till the last day, they have contributed so much. I could read everything so that I could top the school. Even I couldn't say any teacher school as well as my tuition teachers. They are I just appreciate them well.
Okay, tuition se yamna maru oi haibani koi school da makeup to hodaba mayam adu tuition da loinamak cover tawraga mahangna mai pakna bagi lambi da yamna kudong sa bama pibi haibani makata na Sunil koi tamu Sunil laksege ichanu pina sumaina magwang pastor bai tare si sum koi angang si mga pawai bosingna he pi ngai ri yeng pamatam da mahakti si mo kani ataga sumai torokani haibagi wakhalon se to mga pada lei tani aduga maru oina koi nupi sing gi tare koi society sida nupi sing mona hanthana yeng bagi wakhal ma koi mayam na sum sonari bni bo adi woman empowerment kaina sidigi lakhi bni hajariba ada sumaina isa nupi na sumaina angang oinga di honar khibase masigi matang da samlakpa history ma sumai torokpa mahakna angang oinga si pamjarakpa aduga mama pa moina kari ohenningi do matem taibi
ma angang oi vidiki yam sathi bane kitang chawba kan dege ta demand to baba si pa me ai adu magi kenoma magi activity yeng ba kanda ma school pre nursery dege tambade ke ujik pauti magi percentage loin pha bane ma school ka ba dege amta percentage loin pha ya lasta ma ujik sigi ke vidike tamaga tholak pa deke aina khan madji ma like si kya top de yum da su adu magi kok sa kitang klai bo male ma de ya khoi ki ai CID adum yenga ga lebi jani da CID TV adum yenga le ada ina khale dan kamai percentage lakane babai ai tauge harake ma nung nang baro makai ama ani adum tawe lagi adu ai hugut paganda ma panthok kanda ina nang tumgro babai tumge adu so ma lari khairage adum tawba
adu kai di oheningi sanu pije ma ojik topper orebni commerce ta
topper oresu akhui gidi kano mayum pan gradi mogi no paki adum oekrani jitna parachu upai lektre adu boja service ti moi kya akhui dadi kya adu top dia adu ꯐꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥ CAꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯕꯅꯤ CA ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯥ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ
I think Liza, you understand what your father is saying about. So what you want to say about that?
Like he's saying me that if my husband would allow me, but I don't think so. My father is like equally, he had never make a difference between a son or a daughter. Like he give me freedom to go everywhere, even at nights when I go with my friends. He had never like make restriction like it is 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. He had always allow me, and he even pursue me for science also. It was like we are like from a middle class family, still he allowed me that okay, you want to do it, you can do it, but he had never stopped me to do anything. I don't think so. He is just saying now.
So which career do you want to prefer after this secondary examinations?
Like frankly, I have not yet decided, but now I am thinking to pursue CA because as a commerce student, it is one of the best courses. Other courses are equally nice, but I think chartered accountant is much better. So I think I will go for it.
Okay, chartered accountant oininge haibani akoi commerce mairoi sing gi oinadi chartered accountant oi bai basi makoi di aso mangla na mani makhata na Satyajit kari oininge angi khoi ngasai ba wana budi hane kare Bill Gates ko pesa yam pai bai tare kari oininge
ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯆꯨꯝꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯜ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯒꯤꯇꯔꯁꯨ ꯈꯣꯡꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯁ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯁꯜꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯠꯇꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯍꯃꯗ ꯑꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯒꯤꯇꯔ ꯈꯣꯡꯅꯤꯡꯉꯗꯤ ꯖꯤꯃꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯈꯩꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ
ꯑꯌꯧꯕꯤ ꯊꯥꯛ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯩꯅ 11 12 ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯛꯑꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ obviously ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ 90 ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯛꯄ 95 ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟड्ꯁꯅ UPSC ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯁꯦꯟꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯐꯦꯟꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯇꯝꯃꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯦꯁꯦ UPSC ꯄꯩꯈꯥ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯔꯚꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯝꯊꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯛꯁꯂ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯖꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ UPSC ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯇꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯏꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯥꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯀꯦꯔꯤꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯂꯩ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯇꯒꯤ
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯦꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯁꯟ ꯊꯝꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯗꯣ support him. I'll give my best. ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯇꯧꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗꯨꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯣ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯇ꯭ꯌꯖꯤꯠꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ UPSC ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯤꯖꯥ ꯖꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯇꯔ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯤꯖꯥꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ who is your helping hand when the time of difficulties, when you're studying or when you're living, staying alone in the home? So like it may be your father or it may be your mother, there'll be one person who will be very close to you, very needful for you. So who is that person and how do you describe about that?
There is not a single person. My father equally helps me, my mother, my sister mainly, she is like every time scolding me because I don't usually study. So she is like, this is your 12th standard and you are like just chilling here and there, you should concentrate on your studies. She's like every time scolding me, even on calls. She is not here, so she always call me and like, you never study, I have never seen you studying. Even during board exam also I have been like always using my phone. I have always been busy looking CID and all. So she is calling me now, tomorrow is your exam, still you are looking CID. I was like, it's okay, I will manage. And she is like always scolding equally my brother. He always help me in clearing my doubts. My parents, they are helping me. They are always looking around my food and all. I'm very, like I don't easily eat everything. I'm very poor in eating. They are like, just have something, otherwise you will get sick. Everybody, all my parents, my family, they are equally supportive.
Okay. imung manung ni yam phajana support tawi haibani khogi larik pa de haina chaiba matam mangan matam da imung manung gi yamna support lai haibani aduga makata na khogi tamu Sunil lak chage khogi chana pidi chatai kaun den oyo pa me na haire magi career se mana oini ba se thungna ba khogi parents side tagi adom makata na support tawbiraga magi manglan haite magi dream se ohen begin khan bibra aduga family gi oya di haita nga sai hang jabu to adom kari pa ma ta topa ujaraga di ke khan maga lebi bra kai habini
ini kan bisa ma si taura ke chartered account already yam phabane habiti angon dadi kana bai lektre ma mayum pan garani ma ki nupa ma moi phajana tobi ai thabak sa adu ge khan manne adu ai moida ai dikhale ma si da phajana larik tambi ai
hanu ai je adi support dum tawguni hai
support di pura support ni
support tawguni hai bani duga mai pak pasu oisano duga makata na strategy chalak janingi se nangi mai palak pagi credit se kana da piningi haidi imung ga le akoi ima baba le re dai family members myam le ri oza myam le ri maruina nangi credit se kana da piningi
ama maruina ama khak pi radi haidi moida disrespect oina khali sana aduna akoi ima ipa family aduga school akoi school yuna ko school si yamna si da piningi ke credit se akaino tuition oza gai aduga yamna surprisingly friend aigi imana bagai moiju yam mateng pangi paikha manungda aduna moida pin pijani
UNACO school pininge ko maruina UNACO school na lawriba khogi chatra singbu takpada lawriba mokhogi role mokhogi teaching style kamai kamai tawinung haifet haiba yabra
kam atop school ga kamai khena gi di khangdrai di 11 12 se UNACO dang tamjarak panina do yamna oja gai do interaction yam nungai hadi yam PE mafamdo haidi staff room gai du inak nak nan dum leire class ek thok paga aduga kaino khangdra jo dum class kaino class ki kaino gap ani gi du maya du dum thoga dum hangba increase to tawi kaino na oja gai na dumaina hangba law ko law na aduna adumaina atopa school da phangam doi man de an khanje kai gino da atopa school na khara chaw ba hen bani na adu khangde
haibdi school gi support se am sawon le haibni strategy na sumana topa tarak pasida aduga tamo Jasobanta laksaningi se sagi UNACO mana tangpe school se masi choose tawgi base kamai tawkhibno aduga tuition jina karam oja singi choose tawga di karam basis ta choose tawga simani phani khanbir pase aduga school choose tawgi mo tang se masi karom degi lakhiba idea sumatem besia topu
choose to was the particularly choose to what the way he and Kale. I must say, man, have the guitar come me have it. Guitar come Basisu, when I must formally and Tawarim Tawhidrelico, Hainaban and Ifal School of Music, the Chatale, School of Music in my grade 1. I do so Hana Inaco school, I know Ozani, who's a music teacher of Zanico. Other the Unaco school, see my for accident as well as I did later. I did just I might talk give Haitarico. Sangara Matung, every PTI every PTI that the Miampazan had later the Magi progress to them had my progress one day. The gi one day, they tell the Tamsum Karawaka, guitar some Madam Tam Tadoki, Tadoki, Pratado dinner take, or you should have the Marmot, we 8,000 taiko.
She might have no money.
Vocalist in that remedy, yes, do my way. As mine can give it the tuition give a tangsima. I had the magic tuition, it told the Satran, so told the Bugumbani and Lobby, except man Angan the home tutor, Gumalaka, now sing a Malay Manaka, Taki. Ma the only match Kangi, do my some relation. I said, I give it. Last 10 past October, no, I don't like her. Some man a Kaluba, Kalamana Pantone, a pie tuition with Tokyo, Brian Hampton. I know why not have never in her own together. I mean, no one about tuition only than a go. I did all did a go. At the center of the tea with a worry ever. I hung the vanilla. I do have to later. My mamma, Kana, by Malay, Papa, and said, hello, had a Salubaneva. Salubakas did a Moigi set up teachers to so equally motivating weapons. I give them. Otherwise, wait them by one. Aduga, crash course had a 5 months ski or some Aduna, Torokanda, my tow mas. I seem to go tuition lower books to interaction tow. over the phone, over WhatsApp, mayam tawe haba. Aduga moigi oza school gi oza sing sina even she Sunday the pok tak ko. Nung doubt le de hangbala u ka hai mayum the pok Sunday de ka sat pasum yam ya ho haba. Mayum da dum pung khai ma pung ama pung ani pho ba dum to dana sini hai da to. Ya motivating way hai ta re, ya pamje ba hai ta re ko interaction do. Adu minus sat khien khale.
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯌꯨ
Mendet 2019. After the successful, extensive and exhaustive poll day coverages and analysis, and as we head to the judgment day, a team of reporters and analysts will be on Impact News, bringing you an unforgettable experience of election news. Mendet 2019. Result Day live on 23rd May. Only on Impact News, Manipur's Election News Center.
ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯎꯅꯔꯝꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ CBSE 2019ꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯂꯤꯖꯥ ꯖꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ so would you give your all your credit for your success and how supportive your school teachers are and how supportive your tuition teachers are?
I couldn't give credit to one person. There are many, my family, my friends, my teachers, my tuition teachers, school teachers, everybody were equally supportive. My school teachers, like, they always, if I have a doubt, they are like, I can question them anytime, even on calls. Even my tuition teachers, they keep on teaching us like 3 to 4 hours. Anytime we can go and ask question. There was no restriction. Anytime I can call them, or whenever I have doubt. Always so supportive. Even my sister, my brother, if I have doubt, they are of commerce stream. So they have always supported me, and even my friends, they have always cleared my doubt. So I can't give one person a credit. Everybody were equally supportive to me.
And what about the support of your teachers, school teachers and tuition teachers?
School teachers, they have guided me so much. If I have a doubt, they have make it understandable with various examples. They have given me like study materials for better understanding. Even my tuition teachers, they are very much frank to me. If I have, they like, no, every teacher, some teachers are like, we have to study every time, but my teachers are like equally frank. They, with some kind of cracking of jokes and all, they have made the study more interesting. So it was not so burden for me to read. Like in joke and everything, they have made the study so interesting. So they are very much, I can give my whole credit to them also.
Okay. Okay, school ki ojaasing amadi tuition ki ojaasing na aduki matik mateng pangbire haibani aduga makha tana tamo sunena laksage Liza Jain na kendra vidyalaya ga khalakpa aduga atopa tuition ki ojaasing khalakpa se khogi tamo na khanbibra hadi si school tam se kaina atragana choose se maha ki oikhibra tuition boy ro school boy ro kamai to gi ma ki sumaina higher secondary tamakpagi matang se kamai oikhi
माकी एक्चुअली ट्यूशन की खन बचे आइन दी क्या खांग दबा आइदी आया मा की बिजनेस ता तुम ले बजानी अद माना खले बाबा सी तौनी दाने हांग बजातनी एक्चुअली ट्यूशन तंबा मी से पबरा पतबरा लारी हाइब्रा है तबरा लारी हारदी अद ट्यूशन तौरो लारी हाइत्रेदी तौगुनु अद माना बाबा सी पबनी ಅದು ಹಾಯರಗ ಮಾನೆ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೋಬನಿ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತೌರಗ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದಶುಮ एब्सेंट क्या तौदबनी रेगुलर चतपनी रेगुलर चलगा मागी लाक मागी होमा कोरो जोरो बराबर अदम डेली तौबनी तौरगा माना पाम तौबनी
ओके याम नुंगाजे दुगा मखाताना लक्षणिंगे से सत्यजित को नंगना टॉपर ओइरे अदु हौजिक नंगी ड्रीम बुदी हागे नंग ओनिंग बदो अदु हौजिक मणिपुर दा लैरिबा इशू हाइतारे नंगना यामना सेमदौ चेनिंगबा हाइदि mahairu emoina horokpanina sum larik paba khotpa du mamyam tawbai mathakta adom noisu sausalabina class 12 level haise adom kai thoi haise dum khangi budema adu yamna deep oina changsalu draga su ko manipur hojik laiba issue sing manungda nangna si madi sumai to haning he ga haibase kari no tai
manipur da issue je yam budi le obviously ko ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯣꯛꯇ ꯐꯠ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯦ electricity
ꯑꯣ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗ particularly ꯅꯣꯡ ꯃꯀꯨꯝ ꯇꯥ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯩ ꯃꯨꯊꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ electricity ꯑꯗꯨꯒ complain ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ responsive ꯇꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯞꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯣ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯇꯧꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ electricityꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯈꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ improve ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ room for improvement ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯆꯧ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯐꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯅꯔ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯄꯔꯃꯤꯠ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯀꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯈꯪꯖꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯃꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ
ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ 1 ꯂꯤꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯋꯥꯇꯔꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯗꯤꯌꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯧꯅꯤꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯈꯪꯖꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯧꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ
ꯅꯪ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯦꯕ
ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯈꯩꯁꯦ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤಷಿಯꯟꯈꯩꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ criticize ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ understand ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯈꯩꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤಷꯤꯌꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯈꯩꯁꯦ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯖꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ significant ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯖꯟꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯕꯟ ꯇꯧꯁꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯆꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯖꯟꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯖꯟꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ significant ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯎꯒꯠꯄ ꯈꯣꯠꯀꯟꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯇꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯦꯖꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯔꯒ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯨꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯇꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯏꯪꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯖꯥꯁꯣꯕꯟꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯦꯖꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯐꯂꯥꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ
ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯜꯃꯣꯁ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯜꯃꯣꯁ ꯑꯩꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯄꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯒꯥꯗ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ 2 ꯋꯤꯂꯔ ꯊꯧꯕ ꯍꯩꯇꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯨꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯖꯁ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯇꯤꯟꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯤꯜꯂꯛꯑꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯄꯄꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯐꯥꯎ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯊꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯗ꯭राꯏꯚꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯟꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯩꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯅꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯁꯄꯣꯀꯟ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯄꯨꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯣ ꯆꯥꯔꯒ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯧꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯋꯥꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯐꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯥ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯄꯄꯥꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯊꯧꯕ ꯇꯝꯒꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯖꯥ ꯖꯦꯟꯗꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ is there any current issue which you consider most important one in our state, and even if you want to say about the nation, then you can say about that.
There is not so big issue, but the frequent strikes, the burn and all, these are the problems we school students, we suffer a lot. Because if the students who are in class 10 and 12, because of these strikes, they can't go school, there is lack of studies and all. So main thing for Manipur is like strike. Though it has been, now it is less, but still it is one of those. In our area, I think it is okay. Electricity and all, it's okay now.
Okay, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯅꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯜꯂꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯕꯟ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯁꯨꯅꯤꯜꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯂꯤꯖꯥ ꯖꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯀꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯄꯟꯕꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯆꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯣꯅꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯄꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯄꯤꯛꯏꯉꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯤꯔꯛꯏ
ꯑꯇꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯀꯔꯤꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯄꯅꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯝ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ only for just moigi strike kuma moi angang school tinba khotpa adugi objective kya lekte mamang da khar leibani adu atei koi problem lekte
problem leite ba okay am nungai jai aduga mathang asina Satyajit nangi makha thaba mairoi mayam lai ko adu mokoi singida nangna koigi sugumba ma nangna pam liba natraga nangi ambition do phangna bona da kari haitare nangna suwai to power pasida nangi su experience am leram gani adubu nangna sugumba ma achieve to haitara gadi kari tawningi gaina makoi ga haining base kari lai
pura akhoi si 12 ki paikha tha ba ji mawang phang ba ji pura concept nai dre su hoi nai budi khara nai ga dam ne du pura in depth ki type scientist ki type to pa di ya de na khan je previous year question yenga da ba aduga NCERT ki lyric se phajana pa ba aduga adumaina
adu sai tuition gi matang si
tuition je sengna preference ne haidi tuition da ta eba ni tuition da jum pham lai ra ga di wajana nga ju ko la ju ta bi thati kem kana di school mangai ra adu aduna ni private keno private ki paikha tha ba khot ba lai se school jatta bi da aduna keno phajana lyric to pa ba adumaina previous year question gumba yengba NCERT ki lyric phajana pa ba basically lyric pa ba sine adu ya ponti hekta atopa trick kumba lai ponti yena atuma haijani
haibadi kogi lyric pa ba sina kogi yamna chawba thodang amani khallaga thawai yauna paragadi makoina phangning ba makoina achieve tongningi ba du phangani haiba wakhalon duni aduga tamo subanda laksage Satyajit che mana lyric pa gi mo haipet dum takpi gre dum haipet pa le ramba adai pa do time se param da bugumba adu sum yengna matam dai tare mamang da toppers kya amse thengna kre koina pau do ke ta da roi ta bu dai tare aduga sumaina Satyajit ngasi ko gi state ki topper oire aduga atopa haurai ba state ki mahiroi singi da tamona sum suggestion oina ai tare haibining base kari lai adi
same thing ai chanupa da haiba do hai ge do ko potu nang passion am dilai betare ko adu ma passion lai passion tang subject tu gi nang potu gi passion am dilai tare hiding ba ai toning ba dilai betare passion do lai betare plus ana sa haise gi principle do kana gadra na khale don't compete with others because I class first time me do compete tau chum lai tara ga di maybe ma dum first tara ine second tara dum lai su mi ai tongam dev ana don't compete with others compete yourself nana hana fangi do some improve to la oi adu gi I see them adi kenu leite dana ko limit leite dana ko adom lo dana kenu fa adi concept to ina sum I ma'am I gi the younger generation of students to pinning e bai na adi adu quite aina khanjaba method ta adu na payan khale I say limitation la ne I first to sum compete to I say under dog ogera man under dog ogera adu mai leina ne ba do babali sum chat leite na ko adu mana adu is fair de la pan thola ga self competition is the best
okay adi self competition tawragadi adi mi ga su adi mak mangodi hendi adi hana khanbe mahutta isane sabu sinaraga ai si ma tawdabe adi hana khalagadi mai pakani ai ba famduni aduga okay Liza what will be your advice or what will be your suggestion to the upcoming students, or it may be class 10 or it may be 12th standard, so what would be your advice?
I won't force them to read like 24 hours. If you read with concentration for half an hour, it is sufficient. But what you need is concentration. If you keep on reading 6 to 7 hours and there is no concentration, you are busy with your phone and all, then it is useless. Afterwards, you have to read that thing again. So if you are reading, just read it with concentration. That 1 hour will be sufficient for you to read that chapter or that particular part. So I would suggest them that if you are good enough, you can read for 6 to 7 hours. But if you have to concentrate on that 1 hour particularly, so that you can give your full efforts on that thing. So not hours matter, it is what concentration matters for.
Okay. I would be pung asuk yamna pai pung yamna paraga hena kana ga dabani haibalate haibani emaram de kogi pari pung khara khaktu dura yamna kogi focus pi daga puning changna pa badu ꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯤꯖꯥ ꯖꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯁꯨꯅꯤꯜ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ खरा पारगसु याम फजना पाबा अदो यामना पारगा मु याम फजना मु पाबा सिने
मोय की कोक मथक द लई या कनागुमा आंग से एप सिंग बलई या दो ngaतंग पारगा मा टॉप ताब लई या दो अदो कनागुमा अपंग बलई या दो पूरा नुमि चुपना अदुम मल लारिक पारगा मा पोजीशन लगते या दो अदो आंगांग लारिक हायरेदी मा पुंग अमा पारो पुंगानी पारो मा क्लास अदुम टॉपर तारने
ओके हाइबदी आंगांग सिंसे अमुगा अमुगा खेनै हाइबदी नमो थबिनिंगे से अदुगा खोगी हौजि हौजि खोगी क्लास 10 गी एग्जाम हाइदोकदमसु वालिबनी अदुगा लाकदौरिबा खोगी क्लास 10 गी एग्जाम सिदा माइ पालकदौरबा टॉपर सिंग हाइतारेको टॉपर खरा अमला आनी खरा अमना सीबीएसई द चनिंगबा खरा अमना दम स्टेट की बोर्ड चनिंगबा अदो सागी सीबीएसई गा स्टेट बोर्ड कसे अनि से सिलेबस से खरगदी खर मानरगसु खरगदी खेनै अदो कइनोना सत्यजितना सीबीएसई तमखिबसे स्टेट बोर्ड से कम तौरमगा सी मतंग सी मतेम पनबा याब्रा
अइसे क्लास अदुम अनब मारिया जो कइजु सीबीएसई ngaten
आइदी कइनो अदो सी मारिया तमक्चिंग हाइतारे कोई बोर्ड लाइग्रेको क्लास नि मखासिना बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन मणिपुर चूज तौदबिदा सीबीएसई को चूज तौरइसे सी जो कोई कॉम्पीट तौगे नुवाइनबने खनब्रा
कइनो जे अदुगी दो हाइदी क्लास 10 दगी होंगपजे अदु आई कोकता सेंगना लेरुदे हाइदी अदुमाइना हाइदी सीबीएसई दा लाइजे अदुगिनी अदुगा बोर्ड दा सुमाइ चनिंग बनी का अदुमाइदी सेंगना लेगिदे एंगोंदा
हाइबदी सीबीएसई ना सेंट्रल गी ओइबको ऑल इंडिया गी ओइबनिना सिने हन नुवाइनी खनगिबो लेब्रा सिने
लेइजेते सेंग
लेइतेबा
इमानबगी कइगी अदुमाइ तौना गिबन
तमोसी कमाइन तौगिब मा बोर्ड कुंबा दगी कोशेम कुंबा महत सीबीएसई दो इंचलेब्स
वेल अदुमा आइगी कांसेप्ट नि हाइतारे को बेला पेरेंट्स ना तमहले अंग सिंस आइगी चा अहुम ने अहुम मा इलो सीबीएसई दा चलहले मसी कैसुगी नते आइना ngसाइगी सीबीएसई हाइसी दा ngसाइगी एनसीईआरटी की मखा लापनि को कोई बोर्ड सु मसेंगति स्टेट सीआरटी मखा लाक्तोरी ने बको अदो एरगदी एनसीईआरटी हेदी नेशनल की लेवल निना अदो सुम चलहल्लो मरदी ऑलमोस्ट मणिपुरी सु लोबो यारे को एवरीथिंग कैनो की वाने बा अदो मोर ऑफ कंडक्टिंग द एग्जाम अदो मा अदो माइना इन खन की बम खक लैबा हाइ तारे को अखोई दी बोर्ड ता हौजले नत्रा अलमाइन तौनो तौखिबा मतम द सुम सीबीएसई लै मन केवी लै सैनिक स्कूल लै दी कोइ मतम दसु को अलमाइन खन बदाइना सीबीएसई तौरसी अलमाइन खन की डिसीजन को लो हाइ तारे अदुनी
Okay. So same question, Liza. What do you prefer CBSE?
It is not like I have studied even in Manipur board till class 4. It is not like I have not think of choosing one of those. But I just shifted to that school, so I took CBSE. Till class 4, I was with Manipur board.
Okay. So do you witness any kind of differences between these two boards?
Like in Manipur board, we don't get that much scopes. In CBSE school, there are different type of examination conducted from outer areas, so some kind of changes even we can find in CBSE school.
Now, okay, happening in CBSE board ki matang da ki maase hana board ta mame to CBSE tam on gi basa
CBSE hai viche all India gi ni adu hana di moi local su tamme local board su tamme adu all moina keno mapan chaning yare sung all over India gi una CBSE tamali
okay yam nungai je duga aroi boina khoi Satyajit tagi khoi gi horong liba mehoi sing da message anta pibiu aduga same khoi keno jo Liza su message anta pibiu ha ma da Satyajit message anta pibiu
samna bada hina message pinning is work hard and do what you love adu
work hard and do what you love five ni Liza kari message pinning
I would just say them that be hardworking and be passionate towards what you are going to do for further studies.
Okay. Khoi gi hona ba kan ba haiba pakholon se mapung ni yumpham oiraga kun tawnang liba thabak adu mai onsil lagadi mai pak pagi lambi du lakani haibani matang sida ngasi manung hutpagi thorom asi losenjarge ngasi gi manung hutpagi thorom asi lengbi dakliba khoi gi topper sing aduga topper gi parents sing thagat phongduk seri masini ngasi gi khoi gi manung hunagi thorom khoi gi thorom asi karam toibage haibadu impactnews@gmail.com na jaga khoi gi Facebook page ta khanbirek pa yagani ngasi gi unadi kaina bya thang ni jari khurumjari